Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with some Happy Mail. I was so shocked when I went to the mailbox. I was like, "What is this?" And it had softflex on on the label on the mail, and I received some Happy Mail from softflex. So it says, "Happy Holidays. Thank you for supporting our small business, softflex company." And this, I had another card. From Sarah, who is Sarah Ayler, and she works for softflex. So I'm so excited. I wanted to show you some of the things that came in, so you'll know what I'm talking about when I'm using these in videos. So this is a 2.5 ounce bead mix. She said they're actually out of this, but you can always check to see what kind of beads they have in stock. I think these are all check beads, which is so fun. But look at that. I've never seen that style leaf before. Like, we have the style leaf, but never the blue with other colors on the inside. That's so fun. It's a very nice, like, autumn color mix. Those are so fun. I received some gold silver plated 22 gauge wire, which is awesome. I haven't used their wire like this before. I've only ever used their softflex purple, like their softflex coated wire. I actually have a bunch of purple. And this one is tanzanite. Isn't that a pretty color? It's like a periwinkle. Oh my gosh. And then last but not least, this is, let me see. I think this is the Quad 2021 Fall Winter Pantone color. So we have bone, imperial topaz, dark blue lapis, and coral, red coral. So yeah, let me take a look at these with you. I'm so excited because I have like maybe 2-3 spools of softflex, and it's all one color. It's like black. I think I have black, white, and maybe a bunch of this purple left from Halloween. So exciting. This one is the red coral. That is bright red. That is so cool. This would look really good with those Jesse James beads, Pantone colors that we got. The elephant strand. This one is bone. Oh, that's pretty neat. That's really cool. That would actually go really well with some bone beads that I have. And then we have butterscotch or imperial topaz. Yummy. Makes me want some butterscotch. And this one is, it's not labeled. This one's dark blue lapis. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. I'm so excited. Thank you so much to Sarah. Thank you so much to softflex. Hopefully I'll be using these soon because I just love them. I love them. But so we got 6 new colors, some wire, and a nice bead mix. So thank you so much for thinking of me. I hopefully will be getting to work with softflex more in 2022. And let me know if there's anything you want to know about softflex, or if there's anything you want to see me do with these softflex colors. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye-bye. Hi. Hello. Good morning. Happy Saturday. And this cutie thing, it's so tiny. You're so cute. Oh, yes, you're so cute. Yes, you are.